Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food. In today's Diwali special episode, I'm going to be making custard apple or Sitafal Basundi. So I'm going to start with boiling 1 liter of full-fat milk. While the milk is boiling, I'm going to show you a hack to clean, de-seed and remove the pulp of the custard apple easily. Just half the custard apple or Sitafal, remove the stem and with the help of a spoon, just remove the entire pulp into a sieve. In this way, remove all the pulp . With the spoon, just separate out the seeds slightly. Take a whisk. With a little bit of pressure, start whisking this entire pulp of the Sitafal. Once you start seeing a few clean seeds, just use a spoon and pick them out. Once again, let's just whisk this. Pick the seeds out. Now just take this entire pulp and put it in the bowl because I want a few whole strands coming in the mouth. And it's ready. The milk also has been boiling since the last 5 to 6 minutes and now we have to keep an eye on it. Keep stirring. It has reduced by 1/4 quantity and at this point I'm going to add in the sugar. 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of saffron, 2 tablespoons of slivered almonds. The milk has reduced quite a bit and at this point I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. And now we need to keep an eye on this and keep stirring. So while the milk is simmering, I have a tip for you to make your basundi even more tastier. So stay tuned till the end. The milk has reduced to half quantity and now I'm going to turn off the flame and let this cool down completely. The basundi milk has completely cooled down and it's time to add the Sitafal pulp. Give this a good mix. This basundi is ready. Just make sure you cool it completely in the refrigerator for a good 3 to 4 hours before serving. By the smell of it, I'm sure it's wonderful to taste. Let's garnish it with some pistachio flakes, some almond flakes, some rose petals if you have any, silver foil, and it's optional. Well, this lightens up my mood every time. I hope it brings joy to you too. Wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. To add an extra texture to this basundi, you can squeeze out the sugar water from the rasgullas, cut it into quarters and add it to the chilled basundi and serve.